The London, Brighton and South Coast Railway opened a new station named Preston on the 1st of November 1869 to serve the growing parish of Preston on the north boundary of Brighton. The station was enlarged and remodelled to its present design in 1879 during the construction of the Clifton Curve spur line from the Mainline to Hove and the West Sussex coastline. The station was then renamed Preston Park, although the nearby Preston Park did not exist until 1883. In 1881, the railway murderer Percy Lefroy Mapleton alighted at this station after killing Isaac Frederick Gold and dumped his body in Balcombe Tunnel. What a pleasant chap. So we'll get started at Preston Park with 700-037, working the 1237 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. And quickly on its heels is 700-101, working 9 Sierra 23 from Cambridge to Brighton. Next into the station, terminating with a service from Littlehampton, is 377-469. And arriving about 5 minutes late is 387-212 and 387-221, working the 1242 Southern Railway service from Brighton to London Victoria. Crawling right behind it is 700-142, working 9 Sierra 30 from Brighton to Cambridge via London St Pancras International. And off and away is 377-469 with the 1252 Southern Railway service to Littlehampton. Next into the station is 377-442 and 377-162 with the 1256 Southern Railway service from Littlehampton to London Victoria. I shall now present you with Peps. Peps? 313207 and 313219. Working a empty stock move 5H01 from Littlehampton to Lovers Walk. And as they trundle into the station, 700-037 arrives, with the 12:59 Govia Thameslink service of Brighton to Bedford via London St Pancras International. And while that's trundling through the station, 387-226 and 387-220 fly through. But depart actually, with the 12:54 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Brighton. And after getting clearance, 313219 and 313207 depart for Lovers Walk. Next train due to depart is 700-133 with the 1307 Govia Thameslink service of Bedford to Brighton. Next in is 387-220 and 387-226 with the 1313 Southern Railway service of Brighton to London Victoria. Arriving to terminate with another shuttle from Littlehampton is 377451 and 377116. And as that terminates, 700-125 trundles through, working 9 Sierra 25 from Cambridge to Brighton. Next through is 700-101 with 9 Sierra 32 from Brighton to Cambridge via London St Pancras International. Departing with the 1319 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Littlehampton is 377438 and 377436. Next train out for departure is 387225 and 387217 with the 1324 Southern Railway service from London Victoria to Brighton. And as that departs idling into the station is 377450 and 377103 with the 1327 Southern Railway service from Littlehampton to London Victoria. Next to depart 377116 and 377451 with the 1324 Southern Railway service to Littlehampton. Penultimate train now in the form of 700-133 with the 1330 Govia Thameslink service from Brighton to Bedford via London St Pancras International. And here comes our train in the form of 700-132 with the 1337 Govia Thameslink service from Bedford to Brighton. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.